managed to get my hands on this transformer, and it's a 24 volt AC transmitter, and that's what you need for one of these thermostats, a 24 volt alternating current transformer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into the wall outlet down there and run the cord all the way up to the thermostat and wire the transformer to the thermostat, and hopefully that'll give it power. And we need power from either this or a C-wire. The thermostat does need power to be able to operate, and it needs power from the wall, like not battery power, in order for the Wi-Fi to work, and that is what I'm going to set up after I wire the power to the thermostat. So far I have plugged our transformer into the wall, and then I ran the cord all the way up the wall by the frame of the door and over to our thermostat. Now I do have to trim it, but I did, when I trimmed it originally, I did leave it a little bit long just in case, because you always want to have, if you're trimming a wire or a rope, you always want to have a little bit too much so that you can trim back to a more exact measurement that you need. So I figured out from the directions that with this transformer cable, it needs to be inserted at C and RC. So I'm going to need to split the wire, well, trim it, and then split the wire and make it go to C and RC. And that will give power to the thermostat so I can hook it up to the Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the two white wires that are connected to C and RH, and that's going to give our thermostat power. So they're all connected. Now I just have to plug in the transformer and we'll test it. I'm going to move the camera back a little bit here. Alright, you can see the thermostat. Now, just let me and it's working, look at that. Touchscreen and all. Now, of course we have to program it and everything, but at least we know that it has power and that our transformer is working.